rapid presence. There's Barkley at a 32-yard run, and this one's going for longer than that. Inside the 30, the 20, the 10, the 5, 6 for Saquon. A 67-yard touchdown run for Saquon Barkley.
Well, there's a bunch of things wrong with the Redskins defense. It starts out with two guys in the same gap, which is never right. Then also we have tackling seems to be optional in the back end. We got guys diving at guys. With Saquon Barkley, I'm telling you, you better wrap him up with those giant quads and to strengthen his legs. He will run right through you. Exactly what he did.
And, you know, the kids like to say, talk about ankle breakers, right? You hear it most of the time in basketball.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Well, he just gave Monte Nicholson an ankle breaker.
We'll put it on, you know, or that, or, you know, he'll put you on his highlight film in the speed to finish.
4 carries, 108 yards, and look at that finish.
He's back.